Use the Velcro to pry the cover under the instrument panel out. Remove the cover under the display. Remove the fixing screws of the conditioning color panel. Pry and take out the air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Remove the fixing screws of the CD player panel of the co-driver. Remove the true fixing screws behind the armrest box body. Then take out the CD player and pull out the plug. Remove the main frame trim panel with a buckboard. Remove the fixing screws of the original hoist. Pull the original hose outward. Take out the original hose. Then hold the LSO plug buckle of main engine and pull it backward to take out the LSO plug of the hose. Use tweezers to press down the small button on the power line of the CD player and take out the true pin green optical cable. Unplug the plug from the fiber optic box cable. Connect the original fiber optic and plug it in. Connect the small plug of the fiber optic box cable to the stock plug. Connect the remaining plugs to the fiber optic box in accordance with the video operation. Connect the red, black, and yellow white cables as shown in the video. Connect the cable to the LSO harness. Dual audio cable can be connected to a rear-mounted display screen on a mobile phone. Once the fiber optic box is connected, you can start recovering the CD player. Install the CD player panel back to its original position and lock the fixing screws. Restore the connection plug on the back of the conditioner panel and put the air conditioner panel back in place. Don't forget to lock the two fixing screws of the air conditioner panel. Replace the cover under the instrument panel and display. Enter the original vehicle interface. Push down the drive button to enter the enterprise option. Select CDC on the left and press the knob to confirm use. Now your car can play music through the audio cable.